Nature's assassins, the world's most deadly flora. In the heart of nature's beauty lies a hidden danger. Welcome to Nature's Assassins, the world's most deadly flora, where we delve into the darker side of the botanical world. From enchanting blossoms to innocuous-looking leaves, these plants are far from what they seem. In this journey, we'll encounter the most lethal, toxic, and deadly flora from every corner of the globe. Our first stop takes us to the Amazon rainforest, where the notorious manchineel tree reigns as the world's most dangerous tree. Its deceptively sweet fruit has earned it the sinister nickname, the beach apple of death. Or standing beneath its branches during rain can cause severe burns and blisters. Locals have even erected warning signs to keep curious tourists at bay. Our journey continues to the arid deserts of North America, where the innocently named jimsonweed conceals its deadly secrets. Just a few seeds can lead to hallucinations, paralysis, and even death. Jimsonweed's effects have been known for centuries, and it's been used in sinister rituals throughout history. But our quest isn't limited to remote jungles and deserts. Even in our own backyards, danger lurks. Take the beautiful oleander, for example, often used for landscaping. Every part of this plant contains lethal cardiac glycosides, which can cause heart failure if ingested. We'll also visit the laboratories where dedicated scientists study these deadly plants, seeking to harness their power for medicinal purposes while mitigating the risks. Can these botanical assassins become lifesavers in the hands of experts? As we uncover the secrets of nature's assassins, the world's most deadly flora. The beauty of these plants may captivate, but remember, danger often wears a beguiling cloak. Here are some trivia facts about nature's assassins, the world's most deadly flora, to pique your interest. The manchineel tree. The manchineel tree, found in the Caribbean and parts of Central America, is so toxic that even standing beneath its branches during rain can cause blistering skin burns. Jimsonweed hallucinations. In addition to its toxicity, jimsonweed has a long history of being used in shamanic rituals by Native American tribes for its hallucinogenic properties. Oleander's lethality. Oleander contains toxic compounds called cardiac glycosides. Just a single leaf from this plant can be lethal if ingested. Ricin, the deadly protein. The castor bean plant, known for its oil production, contains ricin, one of the most lethal toxins known to humanity. It takes only a few milligrams of ricin to kill an adult. Carnivorous plants. Some deadly plants, like the Venus flytrap and the pitcher plant, lure and digest insects for nutrients. They have specialized mechanisms to trap and consume prey. Digitalis medicine. Despite its toxicity, the foxglove plant is the source of the powerful heart medication digitalis, used to treat heart conditions. The corpse flower, the Amorphophilus titanum, also known as the corpse flower, is famous for its foul odor that resembles a rotting corpse. While not deadly, it sure is unpleasant. Toxic water hemlock. Water hemlock, often mistaken for edible plants like wild carrots or parsnips, contains the deadly toxin cyclotoxin. Ingesting even a small amount can be fatal. Tobacco's alkaloids. Tobacco plants contain nicotine, a potent alkaloid that's highly addictive. Smoking tobacco is a leading cause of preventable deaths worldwide. Ancient uses of deadly plants. Throughout history, various cultures have used toxic plants for nefarious purposes, such as poison arrows, assassination attempts, and witchcraft. Botanical research. Modern scientists are studying these deadly plants to understand their chemical compounds. and potentially harness their properties for medicinal purposes like developing new drugs or treatments. Conservation efforts. Some deadly plants are endangered due to habitat loss. Conservationists are working to protect these species to ensure their survival. Certainly, here are some facts and myths about nature's assassins. The world's most deadly flora to highlight the intriguing aspects of these dangerous plants. Facts. Deadly but beautiful. Many of the world's most deadly plants are surprisingly attractive. Their beauty can be deceiving, making them even more dangerous because people may not suspect their toxicity. Ancient uses. Throughout history, some deadly plants have been used as weapons in warfare and for assassination attempts. For example, certain plant toxins were used in poison-tipped arrows. Medicinal potential. Despite their toxicity, some deadly plants contain compounds that have medicinal applications. Researchers are exploring ways to use these toxins for beneficial purposes, such as in cancer treatments. Toxicity varies. Not all parts of a deadly plant are equally toxic. In some cases, the roots or seeds are the most poisonous, while other parts, like the leaves or flowers, may be less toxic. Mimicry and camouflage. Some plants have evolved to mimic other harmless plants or objects to avoid being eaten by herbivores. They use deceptive tactics to survive. Myths. All beautiful plants are deadly. While it's true that some deadly plants are beautiful, not all beautiful plants are deadly. It's important not to assume a plant's toxicity based solely on its appearance. All toxic plants are lethal. Many toxic plants can cause illness or discomfort, but may not necessarily be lethal. The severity of their effects can vary widely. All deadly plants are easily identifiable. Identifying deadly plants can be challenging as they often resemble harmless species. Relying solely on appearance can be dangerous, and proper identification is essential. All deadly plants are exotic. Deadly plants are found worldwide, and some may be native to your region. It's crucial to be aware of the potential dangers in your local flora. Toxic plants are always harmful to the ecosystem, while some toxic plants can harm animals that consume them. They can also play ecological roles, such as deterring herbivores or serving as host plants for certain insects. Nature's Assassins, the world's most deadly flora, explores these facts and myths, shedding light on the intriguing and often misunderstood world of dangerous plants, and the impact they have on both nature and human society. Safety and warnings are crucial when it comes to avoiding contact with the world's most deadly flora. Here are some essential guidelines to stay safe. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your best defense. Learn to identify the deadly plants in your area and be aware of their characteristics, including their leaves, flowers, and growth patterns. Stay on designated paths. When hiking or exploring natural areas, stick to marked trails and paths. Avoid wandering off into dense vegetation or touching unfamiliar plants. Do not touch or ingest unfamiliar plants. Even if a plant looks harmless, do not touch it or put any part of it in your mouth. Remember that many deadly plants can be deceptively attractive. Supervise children and pets. Children and pets are often curious and may be at greater risk of accidental exposure to dangerous plants. Keep a close eye on them during outdoor activities. Wear protective clothing if you're in an area known to have toxic plants. Consider wearing long pants, long sleeves, and gloves to minimize skin contact. Use caution when foraging. If you are foraging for wild edibles, make sure you are experienced and confident in your identification skills. Avoid picking anything unless you are certain it is safe to eat. Respect warning signs. Heed any warning signs or markers that indicate the presence of toxic plants. These are there for your safety. Wash hands thoroughly. After being outdoors, especially if you've handled plants, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. This helps prevent accidental ingestion. Do not burn unknown plants. Burning plant material can release toxic compounds into the air. Avoid burning plants you cannot identify. Teach children about plant safety. Educate children about the dangers of touching or eating unknown plants. Encourage them to inform an adult if they come into contact with any suspicious plant. Know local hazards. Different regions have their own dangerous plants. If you're traveling or moving to a new area, familiarize yourself with the local flora. Seek medical attention if ingested. If you suspect that you or someone else has ingested a toxic plant, seek immediate medical attention. Bring a sample or photo of the plant if possible to help with identification and treatment. Remember that prevention is the best strategy when it comes to avoiding contact with deadly flora. Stay informed, be cautious, and respect the potential dangers that some plants pose to your health and safety. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey today. We hope you've enjoyed exploring the wonders of the universe with us. Before you go, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another exciting space adventure. Just click that subscribe button and ring the bell. If you missed our last cosmic adventure, you could catch up right here pointing to the left. And get ready for our next space odyssey by clicking over here pointing to the right. Connect with us beyond YouTube subscribing to Far and Beyond Earth channel for more in-depth articles and updates. Before we go, here's a thought-provoking question for you. What's most mesmerizing about Far and Beyond Earth? You'd like to learn more about it? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's continue the conversation. Thank you once again for being a part of our space-loving community. Join us in our quest to explore within our world, into the cosmos, and together, let's reach far and beyond Earth. Until next time, keep looking up to the stars. Please help us by clicking like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Far and Beyond Earth.